Intek Technology, Quality, Service, Innovation. November 5th, 1992, Intek Technology was founded by Kirk and Bruce Chung with only $20,000, and it was located in a small office near Hsinchu Science Park. In the early stages, the company focused on producing motion card. The product was known for its accuracy and stability and had a good market reputation. August 1993, Intek Technology moved to my home community in Chupei and started researching CNC controller. The company successfully developed the first generation of IPC BASE CNC Controller, M3 and M4. M3 is still operating to date for clients. 1998, the second generation of IPC BASE CNC Controller, M40 and M40F, were released in line with market expectation. The controller system adapts RTOS and is equipped with NET function and HSHP. Intek Technology has earned a reputation as an industry leader in automation field at the time. 1998, Intek Technology established a long-term cooperation relationship with J.YangAdvertising Technology by supplying various kinds of CNC controller and providing technical supports. 1999, Intek Technology relocated to a 300 square meter triplex on Zhongzhen East Road. The company undertook the development of third generation IPC BASE CNC controller. November 2002, Intek Technology moved to a new building which occupies a floor area of 900 square meters. 2003, Intek Technology introduced the third generation of IPC BASE module CNC controller, M450, M650, T200, T400, and T1000. The company released the fourth generation of Open CNC controller, M450S and M650S, adjacently, because each type of controller has been completely developed in succession. The business of Intek Technology not only grows substantially, but the number of firm cooperation with Intek is also increasing. 2005, the fourth generation of IPC BASE module Open CNC controller was complete. Intek Technology began supplying CNC controller with Open CNC facility. April 2011, Intek Technology purchased a parcel of land with an area of 1933 square meter and started planning for building a new office. September 20, 2011, Intek Technology announced the release of the fifth generation of embedded system CNC controller. The products are divided into two types, standard CNC and open CNC. The standard CNC type include ME3, M470, M670, TE2, and the open CNC type has ME4S, M470S, and M670S. April 23, 2012, Intek Technology held a groundbreaking ceremony for new factory. November 7, 2012, Intek Technologies Partner Ltd worked with Intek Technology and exhibit a mini 5-axis milling machine at Taiwan International Machine Tool Show. The mini 5-axis milling machine was integrated with the newest 5-axis RTCP TWP CNC controller of Intek Technology, Incom M675. Incom M675 has led Intek Technology into a new era of high-level CNC controller technology area. March 5th to March 10th, 2013, Intek Technology and its long-term cooperators participated in 2030 TIMTOS for exhibiting their products. During the exhibition, the 5-axis milling machine and milling center integrated with Incom M675 RTCP TWP 5-axis CNC controller are in the spotlight of the exhibition. Intek Technology and its cooperators also presented their value-added, customized accomplishment by exhibiting the Open CNC Controller system. Chung Machine Electronic Corporation integrated linear motor and D&D motor with Incom M675 and applied it to the 5-axis machine center, which makes its product the representative work in the exhibition. The combination of Incom M470 0.1 Newton control function and the hydrostatic pressure system of Intek Technology Ltd allows the precision to reach positive negative 0.1 Newton, providing a new solution for ultra-precision machining. November 7, 2013, Incom ME4H single-task Open CNC Controller is released. Incom ME4H is an economic open architecture CNC controller which can be integrated with HMI and construct HMI CNC system. Incom ME4H retrieves the advantage of simple customization from HMI and connects to HMI by Modbus communication protocol. The concepts of programmed path planning, program logic control with subroutine function, and open-off routine tool make the development and application of single-task machines such as grinding machine, multi-purpose plug-in grinding machine, single-purpose laser machine, single-purpose engraving machine, and single-purpose milling machine much more easier. 2014, Intek Technology relocated to a 3,000 square meter building on Xingongse Road. It provides employees with comfortable working environment and makes a commitment of sustainable management to the employees, customers, and society. Intek Technology will keep developing high-end control techniques and creating higher value in CNC field continuously. Intek Technology will also focus on training skilled engineers, increase soft and hardware power, and constructing R&D and system integration application service team to provide customers with high-value service and products.